Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with a common scanner issue. You are having this is a problem prevented this document from being scanned. Please try again or troubleshooting information, see help and support or the information that came with the scanner. So this will apply for printer scanners, basically any 201 printers scanners, which most printers are nowadays like Canon, epson, Brother, HP for example. First thing I recommend to do guys, power cycling both your computer and printer at the same time, and scanner, printer and scanner, and turn off and turn on again. Hopefully that can able to resolve our problem. But if not, go to search menu and type printer scanner. Open it. Select the printer scanner you have problem with in this list. Select it and select run the troubleshooter. If you have any printer related problems guys, this will help you to resolve it. Close the troubleshooter, and that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.